Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm doing a power hour cleaning video. We were getting ready for vacation and we wanted to make sure that our house was nice and neat before we left because we had our pet sitter coming to watch our dog, and plus we just like to have a nice clean house when we come home from vacation. Y'all let me know if you're the same way in the comments below. Also, today's video is a collaboration with my friend Amanda, and her channel is called This Crazy Life, and she does lots of really good videos, and actually it's very similar to mine. She does lots of hauls and cleaning on her channel, and she even does some day in the life. She's a mommy of 3 boys, and her house is gorgeous, so I know you guys will love her if you like my videos. Make sure that you go check her out as soon as you are done. She's going to be doing a power hour as well. And I'm going to leave a link in my description box with her video so that way it's super easy for you guys to find. And if you're coming over from Amanda's channel, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you'll stick around and subscribe to my channel because, like I said, it's very similar to Amanda's, and I do lots of very similar types of videos, including cleaning, hauls, decor, day in the life. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 kiddos, and we live in Savannah, Georgia. So if you are at all interested, please click that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button as well. It just tells me that you like videos like this so I can keep creating them. In today's power hour, I am starting off by tidying up all of our bedrooms and the playroom, and then we'll move on to the rest of our list.
Woo! The sunrise, late nights, wishing that this would be over. Cold ice, the same fights, we won't be getting any closer. We're supposed to be young, dumb, and free. Thought that we'd never be me.
Alright, now we are in Gracie June's room, and she's actually going to help me make up her bed. She usually makes it up by herself, but since I was doing a power hour and short on time, I wanted to go ahead and help her to speed it up a little bit. And you will see in just a minute that she wanted to do her pillows on her own, though. She told me I couldn't help her with that, so I went and picked up books while she finished the pillows.
All of our mistakes, what we have done. We're supposed to be young, dumb, and free. Thought that we'd never be me. Hoping that you see what we could be before we throw it all away. And pride's forsaken both of us. Always thought that we would get it right.
And now we are in Kason's room, and he usually makes his bed up by himself too, and I did let him start off by doing that, but like I said, we were short on time, so I went over and started helping him, and making a bunk bed is actually a lot of work.
Ashes to ashes, falling alone, leaving 2 ensouled demise. Ashes to ashes, where do we go? Yeah, where do we go? And pride's forsaken both of us.
Now we're in the playroom, and Gracie June and I are going to tidy up in here really quick.
9 to 5, always thought that you'd be by my side.
I was worried you blowed my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger. Right, this rare finger for people like them. picture alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, nah, nah. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. Around me like a borderline, our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
So I think Gracie June got a little tired of cleaning and she started playing with her dollhouse.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places, makes me laugh above the.
And now we're moving on to the living room, and I'm just going to tidy up in here as well, and then we'll keep going on down our list.
Music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar. Like I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby.
I'm going to clean the guest bathroom because I want to make sure that it's nice and clean for our pet sitter when she comes, just in case she has to use the restroom while she's here. And I do like cleaning this bathroom several times a week anyways. And the products that I'm using are the Method Daily Glass Cleaner on the mirror, and then I'm using the Daily Granite on the granite countertops, and then the Method Anti-Bac inside of the sink. I did clean the toilet as well, but for some reason I lost the footage of that. I don't know if I just accidentally forgot to hit the record button or what happened, but I did clean that. It's just not going to be on camera.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure.
Next, I needed to move on to the office, and this room actually needed a little bit of dusting, so I wanted to go ahead and do that while I was in here today and get it knocked out.
Don't see magic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
The last thing on my list was to fold all the laundry, and I think I had 2 loads of laundry and I ended up getting everything folded, but my power hour was up before I was done with the first load. So I still finished folding the laundry and putting them in the hampers to be put up, but I ended up just putting them up later on in the evening.
No, I don't even know how to feel about it anymore. Longing back to the days that we shared. Remember how we felt, and your touch was like there was nobody there, like you loved nobody else. Yeah, I wish I could turn the time back. I miss it more than anything right now, but something tells me I should be aware. But baby, how it felt, I want to decide now. The sooner that I get to find out, the better I can get by. But I don't even know how to feel.
So that's pretty much it for this power hour. I hope that it gave you guys some major cleaning motivation. I know that anytime I watch cleaning videos, I am ready to get up and clean, and a lot of times I will just put the video on the screen and clean along with someone. I hope that you loved my channel and that you will subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, be sure to go check out Amanda's channel. She's got her power hour on her channel that is live right now as well, and she always has amazing cleaning videos, so I know that you guys will get the double dose of cleaning motivation today if you go watch her. Her videos linked down in the description box below. Alright y'all, I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!